There's a small hill in Vagaman called Varattumedu, a place that's been calling me for a while now. They say the view from the top is something else, but the climb, that's where the story lies. Oh my god! What looked like just another day in my journey turned into so much more. A test of will, a bit of struggle, a sense of unity, and moments of pure joy. Sometimes even a single day can hold an entire story. And this is one such chapter from Solo Sahyadri. Hello, good morning. Good morning from Vagaman. We are in Nyaralambuja guest house in Vagaman. This is near Kurishamala. I am warming up my motorcycle right now. Today we are going to Varattumedu, Palozhukum Para, a lot of cool places nearby. And I'll be here in Vagaman for a couple of days and exploring some of the places nearby. So I woke up early today, and before it gets crowded, let's go to these places. So I'm just taking my camera, backpack, and Sijata, ഞാൻ ഇന്ന് ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ടാവും കേട്ടോ. പൈസ തന്നേക്കാം, വന്നിട്ട് തരാം. ഞാൻ ഇന്നും കൂടെ ഉണ്ടാവും, നാളെ പോകുള്ളൂ. Good morning, Vagaman. Overtake the bus. There you go. I'm wearing the waterproof gloves today, the Sand 5 H2O, because my dirt gloves, the gloves that I used to wear, is completely wet. It's so much nicer to put your hands inside warm gloves in the morning. The roads are broken. No problem for the Himalayan. What do we do now? What do we do? Full of energy. ചേട്ടാ വരാട്ടുമേട് എങ്ങനെയാ പോണ്ടേ? എങ്ങനെയാ? Okay. So what you see right in front of me is Varattumedu. This one is what Varattumedu. Okay. Look at that waterfall. This is Palozhukum Para. My god. It's in full flow, bro. Oh my goodness. Woohoo! Pick the lines, pick the lines. Pick the lines. Pick the lines. Oh. What is he waiting for? For the cow to pass. Oh, it's a steep freaking climb. Oh my goodness, this is hard. Okay, so far good. Should I take that line or this one? Oh, okay. Oh my god. Oh, slipping and sliding. Give me some. Oh my. Hi. You're not from here? Madurai. Can go further up top? Oh, that guy is sitting over there.
I think beyond that point also.
Oh, I see, okay. A lot of work in the morning. I think we finally made it up top. Oh my god. It's a lot of work in the morning, man. Let's try and climb further up top actually. Bro. Let me just walk the trail first. Left line like that and just actually climb. Your bikes can also go. Oh, it's a easy walk up if you are just thinking of walking. We'll try and go with these guys.
But if we use the left lane,
So from here we can switch. We'll try and go.
from here we are going to do like this. We are telling me.
From there is a road like that, so we can switch the lanes.
Or like the one he's going at.
You know where the place where she's standing.
Okay.
Yeah. We'll go. Oh! Oh my God! Careful! Are you okay? Okay now. Ayyo. Eh? Huh. അയ്യോ വെയിറ്റ് ഉണ്ട് stand down but I stand down but I can't climb. Wait, let me just climb. Woo! Ayyo. start. Hiya. Whew. Ah. The satisfaction I felt after taking the bike to the top was something special. Still, the view from the top made it all worth it. I've never seen anything like it before. It felt otherworldly. The waterfall I saw from the top is called Palozhukum Para, which means the rock where milk flows. And it truly lived up to its name. Moments like these remind me why I keep chasing the road, for sights that leave you speechless. Whatever. That was hard. Even we walk the trails, and even though the tire just keeps spinning, and it's only because of them and their help that I was able to make it up. Otherwise, I would have easily dropped the bike at least a couple of times. You're not going up?
How do you not know?
After seeing that.
Even after seeing that.
I didn't get your name. Vikram. Gautham. Bye. അല്ലല്ല മലയാളം പച്ച മലയാളം ഞാൻ തിരുവനന്തപുരം പട്ടം എവിടെ സ്ഥലം ഐശ്വരി നാട്ടുകാരാ പോ ഹലോ ഫ്രം Varattumedu. Look at this beautiful place, man. I am so happy that I was finally been able to make it up top, and look at that view. Like, it's so beautiful. No matter how much I try, I don't think I'll be able to capture this beauty of this place. Like, it's absolutely breathtaking. It's one of the most beautiful places I've seen, to be honest. All of that effort to get up top, I think it's worth it. Yeah, it's worth it. And we are climbing down from here, going back. We'll try and see, catch up with those guys, the guys that we met who helped us, and ride along with them. Everybody else have left. I hope that they're waiting for me down. അപ്പം എന്ത് ചെയ്യും അമ്മേ ഓ I have a habit of, using the front brake while running off-road, like especially in conditions like this. എന്താ ചെയ്യാതെ what do you do? We can take a stick or something.
Yeah, we put a spanner now.
Okay. The Expulse she was riding had its clutch lever broken, and they had to call a tow truck to get it repaired. But what stood out wasn't the breakdown, it was their spirit. Even in a tough situation, they were all smiling, laughing, making the best of it. There she goes.
Bro, your name is Gautam, right?
Gautam, yeah.
Subscriber, bro.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, yes.
What's
Yeah,
your name?
You asked, you are going to Western Ghats over the
Yeah. What's your name?
Arunachala.
Arunachalam. Oh, nice to meet you. Go up there, have fun, man.
Yeah.
See you.
See you.
I met my subscriber. I met my subscriber. Oh. What line was that, Gauthameji? I rode back to my room that evening completely exhausted, but with a full heart.